So interest rates shot up to 7% and you're a buyer. What should you do? There's a couple tactics that you can do to still get a home in today's market. Number one, you could submit an offer and still do your own due diligence and having your own inspections, and you can even ask for credits or repairs in this market, which is great. Number two, you can ask the seller for a large seller credit in order to buy down the interest rate by paying points or use it for your closing costs. Number three, you can look for a 7-year ARM instead of a 30-year fixed mortgage. Now, in today's market, that's gonna lower your interest rate by about 1.5%. It's a little bit riskier because in 7 years, we're not sure where the interest rate is gonna be. But if it happens to go down, you can refinance into another 30-year mortgage. If it stays the same or it goes back up, then you can try to pay off your loan before that's due or sell the property and move into something else.